Assalamu alaikum. Dear colleagues, it's really one of the greatest occasions of happiness for JT Arts, Science and Commerce College that we have gathered here for honoring, for felicitating the NET set qualifiers of our college, those who are the present students, colleagues as well as the alumnus of the college. Now we formally start the program, and for the Kirat purpose I would like to call upon TYBA student Miss Farah Naz. Please do come.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله اشترى من المؤمنين أنفسهم وأموالهم بأن لهم الجنة يخادعون في سبيل الله فيقتلون ويقتلون وعدا عليه حقا في التوراة والإنجيل والقرآن ومن أوفى بعهده من الله فاستبشروا ببيعكم الذي بايعتم به وذلك هو الفوز العظيم صدق الله العظيم.
Now after the recitation of Holy Quran, and it is one of the essential customs of any event, of any program, that before it's a proper beginning, before it's a proper rudiment, we announce or we nominate the president of that event or program. So for the same purpose, I would like to call upon one of my colleagues, Dr. Muhammad Ismail sir, for the nomination of the president and the seconding of the nomination of the president. Please sir, do come.
Thank you, sir. Dear colleagues and students, I feel greatly honored to be here for the nomination of the name of the president of this function. He is chief patron of JT campus and prime inspiration for all working here. Very respectfully, I take the name of Honorable Chairman Alhaj Ansari Nihal Ahmad Sahib as the president of this function, and I second the same wholeheartedly. Now, I very humbly seek his kind permission for proceeding the function further. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ismail sir. After the nomination of the president, it is the second custom convention of the programs that we introduce the dignitaries on the stage and felicitate them as well. So for this purpose, I would like to call upon academic and administrative coordinator of our college, Dr. Salma Abdul Sattar ma'am. Please ma'am, do come.
Assalamu alaikum. Honorable President of today's felicitation program, Alhaj Ansari Nihal Ahmad Sahib, Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Honorable Advocate Niaz Ahmad Lodhi Sahib, Honorable Principal Dr. Ansari Mohammad Harun Mohammad Ramzan Sir, Dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum. I am here for felicitation ceremony. First of all, we would like to felicitate our respected chairman and today's president, Honorable Alhaj Nehal Ahmad Sahib. For this purpose, may I request Honorable Advocate Niaz Ahmad Lodhi Sahib to felicitate on behalf of we all to our dearest chairman, Alhaj Ansari Nehal Ahmad Sahib. Sir, please. Kamran bhai, jaldi आओ. We have lack of time, that's why we are not going for detailed introduction, and there is no need to introduce the multi-dynamic personality, multitasking personality like our Honorable Chairman Sahib. He is a man of action. He always believes in action and deeds. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now we have with us the very prominent personality of our JT campus, Honorable Advocate Niaz Ahmad Lodhi Sahib. As a chief guest, we have with us, may I request to our principal sir to felicitate on behalf of we all to our chief guest of today's function, Honorable Advocate Niaz Ahmad Lodhi Sahib. Now, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now it's time to felicitate to our principal, sir, the man behind the steering wheel of this college. May I request Honorable President Alhaj Nehal Ahmad Sahib to felicitate to our dearest principal, Dr. Ansari Muhammad Harun Muhammad Ramzan, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Dear colleagues, as you know very well, this is the felicitation program for NET set qualifiers. Then behind the success, there is always a man or woman. For today's celebration, the credit goes to many professors of JT College. It's an honor and privilege that we have such type of tremendous personalities who have their potential, caliber and talent, on which basis they made this history. First one is Honorable Professor Pathan Mohsin sir, HOD Chemistry, who has done the tremendous job to qualify 2 students of chemistry department in chemical science. They qualified set exam. May I request Honorable Chairman Sahib to felicitate Professor Pathan Mohsin sir. I would like to mention here, our Honorable Chairman Sahib ordered me to, उसको carry bag में ही रखा, to felicitate him by giving such a nice suit on behalf of him. So it's a history in JT College that our chairman is doing such type of tremendous job to offer felicitation on behalf of JT management. Sir, please felicitate our Professor Pathan Mohsin sir, HOD Chemistry Department. It's your love, sir, that you are appreciating the faculty of this college. It's an honor for us, sir. We feel proud. नहीं मिला तो क्या हुआ, पर प्राउड फील हो रहा है. आज उनका नंबर है सर, कल हमारा भी नंबर आएगा. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now we have with us Honorable Dr. Momin Adil, sir. He is also sharing the success of qualifying set exam of 2 students of chemistry department. May I request Honorable Chairman Sahib to felicitate Professor Dr. Momin Adil, sir, on behalf of JT Trust. trust JT institution. They both are getting. Wire sambhalo. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It's honor for us. Now we have with us Honorable Professor Ansari Abul sir, HOD, Physics Department. Behind the success of a student in physical sciences, he is the man for this success or achievement or victory. May I request Honorable Advocate Niaz Ahmad Lodi Sahib to felicitate our dearest Professor Ansari Abul sir. Sir, आइए please. ऊपर आइए सर. Congratulations, sir. Now we have with us Honorable Professor Faizi Razi Anwar sir, HOD, Computer Science Department. Behind the success of Assistant Professor of Computer Science, he is the man who struggled hard, not only for SET qualifying, but for BLIB and MLIB. He gave the permission, he gave the concession to study hard, to work hard to Professor Naveed Akhtar sir. So, we would like to congratulate sir. Please do come. May I request Honorable Advocate Niaz Ahmad Lodi Sahib to felicitate Professor Faizi Razi Anwar sir, HOD Computer Science. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Yahya Khan, sir, to announce the names of qualifiers. Sir, please.
Thank you, Madam. Honorable President for today's function, Chairman of our JIT campus, Honorable Nihar Ahmad Ansari Sahib, Advocate Lodi Sahib, Management Member of our college, Honorable Principal Dr. Harun Sir, Academic and Administrative Coordinator Dr. Salma Ma'am. I feel very proud and it's a part of very honored that Madam has given chance me to felicitate the students and the teachers. They qualified the SET examination conducted by UGC and Savitribai Phule Pune University as a state agency. So now I call Professor Naveed Akhtar sir. Naveed Akhtar sir qualified SET exam in library science. He is working as an assistant professor in computer science department from last 6 years. So I request Honorable Chairman Sahib to felicitate Professor Naveed Akhtar sir. Secondly, from the chemistry, and she passed the SET examination in chemical sciences, Professor Alhera Amrin Madam. In 2018, she had passed MSc from our department, chemistry department, and now from last 3 years, she is working as assistant professor in chemistry department. So now I request Advocate Lodi Sahib to felicitate Alhera Amrin Madam. Then Ms. Firdaus Ara Javed Ahmad completed BSc in 2018 from Physics Department and completed MSc in 2020 from Pune University. So I request Honorable Salma Ma'am to felicitate Firdaus Madam. She is now working as assistant professor in City College in Physics Department. Finally, it is a matter of great history in the JET campus that a student from MSc, she is in second year, and she had cracked out the set examination, Miss Asia Khatun. So now I request our principal, Honorable Harun sir, to felicitate Asia. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you. Now I request to Professor Munawar, sir, to proceed over.
Thank you both, Dr. Salma Abdul Sattar ma'am and Dr. Yahya Khan sir, for very nice felicitation as well as the introduction of the dignitaries and the qualifiers. I again wish all the qualifiers best of luck for your all future successes, and I hope that you all become a pioneering inspiration for the upcoming students in future, and definitely we will give your example to them and they will get inspired by you. Now we are moving further with the aims and objectives of this program, and for this purpose I would like to call upon the man who made things who converted things into reality which was only in the potentiality, and he is none other than the HOD of Chemistry Department, Professor Pathan Mohsin Mahmood Khan. Please sir, do come and present your aims and objectives of the program, please.
Thank you, Munawar sir. Now, first of all, the president of today's program, Honorable Alhaj Nihal Ahmed Sahib, chief guest of today's program, Lodi Sahib, Honorable Principal of our college, Dr. Ansari Muhammad Harun Muhammad Ramzan sir, Academic Coordinator of our institute, Dr. Salma Abdul Sattar ma'am, and all the IQAC team, as well as all my colleagues and all my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Now, when we are talking about the aims and objectives of next set examinations, so initially it is started to overcome the problems of educations, especially teaching and research aptitude. So for that purpose, CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, along with UGC, started NET examinations. This examination is conducted all over the country, and definitely its main aim is to nourish or to develop the teaching and research aptitude in the students of all over the country. And for that purpose, they are conducting NET exams from many years. Up to 2001, all the students who qualified the NET exams, they are eligible to do lecturership as well as research in all over India. But they have realized that there is some problems if we consider, that means to allow the qualified to do the jobs in all over India, it may be difficult because some regional places are there and they lack the teachers. So for that purpose, in 2001, they have differentiated and created a new system in which this exam is conducted on the state basis. And for that purpose, SET exam is introduced. That means it is a state eligibility test, and it is conducted by the state agency Pune in our Maharashtra. And from 2001, all the students who are qualified in SET exam, they can do the job only in their states. In our case, it is in the Maharashtra and Goa. And all the students who qualified the NET exams, they can do the jobs all over the India, wherever it is available. So from 2001, SET exam is limited to the state only, but NET exam is, that means it is for all over the country for the students. That's it. Now, for that aim, that means to nourish the teaching and research aptitudes, they are conducted this exam, and this exam is basically, initially it is based on 2 multiple choice papers and 1 theory papers. The first paper comprises the logical and reasoning aptitudes, and it nurture, we can say that it can develop. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So it just focus on the reasoning and logical aptitudes of the candidates. And second and third paper comprises the special subjects, so that the students can develop their knowledge all over their subjects. For that purpose, second and third paper is conducted. So this is the aims and objectives regarding the NET set examinations. Now, in the last sense, I just want to give the message to the qualifiers and other students also. ये जो मैसेज है, it is a मैं इसमें सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि जो तुम लोगों ने जो अचीव किए हैं यहाँ पे, और जो बाकी के लोग आगे अचीव करने वाले भी हैं, तो बेसिकली एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखिएगा इसमें कि जो भी चीज़ें तुम लोगों के माइंड में हैं, जो भी मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ें हैं, तो वो तो होनी चाहिए, लेकिन साथ में एक चीज़, एक सेंस तुम लोगों के अंदर इस बात का होना चाहिए कि जो भी तुम काम करें वो बेसिकली ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए हो। हमारा पेशा खुद ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए, तो ये चीज़ उसमें होनी ही चाहिए। और उसको अचीव करने के लिए तुम लोग जो भी अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं, डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट एंड गेट वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू लाइफ, और वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू गिव द लाइफ। एंड सेकेंड थिंग, अगर हम इसमें बात करेंगे कि एक छोटा सा किस्सा बताऊंगा मैं तुम लोगों को। और स्टीव जॉब्स, तुम लोगों ने नाम सुने होंगे, जब उनको पैनक्रियाटिक कैंसर था और जब उनको ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि अब उनकी मौत करीब है, तो जब लास्ट के 6 महीने थे, तो उन्होंने उस वक्त मतलब ये लिखा है उनकी बुक में कि जब मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि अब मेरी ज़िंदगी ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो उस वक्त जो फेल्यूअर का डर था या जो सक्सेस की खुशी थी, तो उसका मुझ पर कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने लगा। और वो लास्ट के 6 महीने में सिर्फ यही सोचता था कि मैं कुछ ऐसा करूं या ऐसी कोई चीज़ बनाऊं जो सिर्फ इंसानियत के लिए हो, जिसमें कोई खुशी नहीं, कोई गम नहीं। सो विद दिस कोट आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट मीन्स you should do whatever you want, but basically keep in mind somewhere that the humanity must be benefited from your works, and this is because this world should be a better place because you are born in it. Thank you.
Thank you, Pradhan Mohsin sir, for your very nice aims and objectives of this program. Now, dear colleagues and students and friends, now we move to the welcome speech of this program. And for the welcome speech, I would like to call upon the head of the institute and the principal of our college, Dr. Ansari Muhammad Harun Muhammad Ramzan sir. Please, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. All the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. I, the principal of this college, welcome all the dignitaries behalf of JT Trust, behalf of JT Arts Science Commerce College, behalf of staff members and behalf of students. It is very proud and pleasure for us that today we organize such motivational program for the students who have passed, but the motivational for the students which are now going to for the upcoming NET and SET examination. So they should take courage from this program that they should also pass in the first attempt. So I congratulate all the students which are the lecturers who have passed this program, this NET SET, especially they clear the SET exam, but we are saying also always that SET or NET. So by this I congratulate for the upcoming NET or SET examination, and I conclude my speech and giving my best wishes. I also thank to all the dignitaries that they give their very valuable time for us. So I thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your welcome speech. As it is said that nothing succeeds like success, because one success creates opportunities for the another one and for the greater successes. With this aim, I would like to very humbly call upon the chief guest of today's program, Advocate Niaz Ahmed Lodi Sahib, and I hope that he will express his very valuable views and share all his experiences with us, and for this purpose I would like to call upon him. Please, sir.
औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आज ये देखकर बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि हमारे इस कॉलेज के कैंपस में हम सब लोगों की मसाई जमीला और हमारे चेयरमैन अलहाज निहाल अहमद हारून अंसारी साहब, हमारे इंतज़ामिया के तमाम मेंबरान, जिनकी हमेशा ये ख्वाहिश रही है कि हम हमारे इस कॉलेज को आगे से आगे ले जा सकें, लोगों को और हमारी कौम को, मुल्क को, तमाम लोगों को हम इसका बेनिफिट दे सकें। और इसी तगदौ में रात दिन हमारे चेयरमैन साहब ने अपनी लाइफ को समझो इन्होंने वक्फ कर दिया है जेटी के लिए, और उसी का ये समर मुझको नज़र आ रहा है कि हमारे असातिज़ा, हमारे प्रोफेसर्स, हमारे टीचर्स, हमारी बच्चियाँ, तमाम लोगों ने जो मेहनत की है उसका ये फल हमको दिख रहा है कि आज वो नेट सेट क्वालिफाइड हुए। मगर एक बात हमको जहन में रखना है कि सिर्फ नेट सेट आज हम पास कर लिए, हमारी मंजिल सिर्फ यही नहीं है, हमको आगे भी जाना है। और आगे जाने के लिए अपनी मेहनत को, अपनी तगदौ को, अपनी कोशिश को कभी भी मादूम नहीं करना है, कभी किनारे नहीं बैठना है, हमेशा अपने हौसलों को बुलंद रखना है और आगे से आगे बढ़ने की हर कोशिश करना है। मैं तमाम ही लोगों को अपनी दिल की गहराई से और हमारे इंतज़ामिया की तरफ से भी सबको मुबारकबादी दे रहा हूँ कि अल्लाह ताला इनकी इस कामयाबी को हमारे कॉलेज के लिए भी, उनके ख़ुद के लिए भी और हमारे शहर के लिए भी एक कारआमद बने और मुफीद मतलब रहे। मैं ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं है, मुझको बड़ी उजलत है, वरना कुछ बातें ऐसी थी जिस पे बड़े सैर हासिल तबसरे होते। बहरहाल इंशाल्लाह किसी और मौके से आपके दरमियान में आकर कुछ बातें ज़रूर कर सकूँगा। और मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई कि इस तालीमी प्रोग्राम में हमारे तमाम ही लोग हाजिर रहे हैं, हमारे स्टाफ के लोगों का ये जोश, जज्बा, ये खुलूस देखकर मुझको बड़ी खुशी हुई। और मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि आगे, जैसा कि हमारा एक एम है कि हमारा नेक जो है, हमको हमारे कॉलेज का जो नेक का ग्रेड लाना है, आप समझ लीजिए कि हमारी जो विज़न है, मैं तो ये चाहता हूँ कि हमको A++ का हमको मिलना चाहिए। हमको ये नहीं सोचना है कि हमको A मिले, हमको B मिले, हमको C मिले, ये नहीं, हमको लास्ट जितनी उसकी हो सकती है A++ की ये जा सके, ताकि हम कोशिश करें और आगे चलकर ऑटोनॉमस, हमारा जेटी जो है एक ऑटोनॉमस यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टेटस पे जाए। मैं ये हमारी ख्वाहिश है। इतनी बात कहते हुए मैं अपनी बात को ख़त्म करता हूँ। अस्सलाम।
Thank you, sir. And I assure you that we will try our best. We will use our whole potentialities, all skills that we have for coming true to your expectations, and try to give or try to award our college A+ as well as the autonomy. Now, dear friends, we move to the last segment of this program, that is the speech by the president of the program. And I very humbly request the president of this program and the chairman of JT campus, Alhaj Nehal Ahmad Ansari Sahab. Please, sir, do come.
आज के प्रोग्राम में आए हुए हमारे मैनेजमेंट के चीफ गेस्ट एडवोकेट नोदी साहब, प्रिंसिपल साहब, कोऑर्डिनेटर सलमा मैडम और स्टाफ हजरात, बहुत दिनों के बाद में खुशी का मौका मिला है और हम लोगों को इतनी खुशी है इसका अंदाज़ शायद आप लोगों को नहीं है। कॉलेज जब चालू हुआ था 1989 में, तो हमारे लिए सबसे पहला मसला था कि हम क्वालिफाइड स्टाफ कहाँ से लाएं। क्वालिफाइड स्टाफ लाने के लिए हम हिंदुस्तान के हर एक शहर से मुस्लिम कैंडिडेट, दूसरे कैंडिडेट्स को हम तलाश करते थे कि भाई ये हमारे कॉलेज में आए और यहाँ के बच्चियों को तालीम दें। हमारी कोशिश चालू थी। हमारे जो प्रोफेसर्स थे वो भी कोशिश करते थे कि भाई हम नेट सेट एग्ज़ाम में क्वालिफाई हो गए, पास हो गए, हम क्वालिफाइड बन जाएं और हमारा जो भी मसले मसाइल है वो हम दूर कर लें। बहुत से लोगों ने नेट सेट पास भी किया, मगर चंद लोग थे, एक या दो। इतने बड़े शहर के अंदर में नेट सेट पास होना बहुत ही मुश्किल तरीन मरहला था। इसी कोशिश में हम चलते चलते आज इस मुकाम पे पहुँचे हैं कि हमारा कॉलेज जो है अब वो खुद नेट सेट बच्चों को तैयार करके नेट सेट पास करके हम एक प्रोडक्शन निकालना शुरू कर दिए। बहुत ही खुशी की बात है। शायद ही नासिक में कोई ऐसा कॉलेज होएगा जहाँ के बच्चे पढ़ते हुए भी नेट सेट पास नहीं कर सकते। बरसा बरस लग जाते हैं, वो नेट सेट पास नहीं होते। तो हम इस मुकाम पे पहुँचे हैं और हमारे शहर के लिए वो बहुत खुश आइंदा बात है। हम इससे भी आगे जाएंगे। हमारे लोधी साहब ने जैसे कहा है कि नेट सेट ये इनफ नहीं है, इसके ऊपर हमें डिपेंड नहीं करना है, हमारे बच्चों को बहुत आगे जाना है। ये तो नेट सेट एक पैतरी है हमारे एजुकेशन में, जो खड़े रहने के लिए गवर्नमेंट में एक एग्ज़ाम है, छोटा सा एग्ज़ाम है। इसके आगे दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है। अभी जो यूजीसी ने जो क्राइटेरिया तय किया है कि भाई जो नेक कमेटी जो बुला रही है कॉलेजेस को वेरिफिकेशन करने के लिए, उसमें सबसे पहला क्राइटेरिया उन्होंने रखा है कि क्वालिफाइड स्टाफ। जिस कॉलेज के पास में क्वालिफाइड स्टाफ नहीं रहेगा वो कॉलेज का एफिलिएशन गवर्नमेंट बंद कर देगी। सेकंड, उसके पास में जितनी सहूलतें जो गवर्नमेंट मांगती है अगर नहीं है तो कॉलेजेस बंद कर दिए। आपके पास रूम भर के पैसा क्यों ना हो, मगर आपके पास फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं है तो गवर्नमेंट आपको परमिशन नहीं देगी। और हमारी ये बच्चियाँ जो हैं, जो मालेगांव शहर जो बिलो 60 पॉवर्टी के अंदर में जो शहर ये चल रहा है, उसके अंदर से ऐसे बच्चों को निकलना ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। और हमें भी बहुत खुशी होती है कि हम बच्चों को सही तालीम के जेवर से आरास्ता कर रहे हैं। और आगे हमारी ये कोशिश रहेगी कि हम बच्चों को और आगे से आगे लेके जाएंगे और हमारे साथ में सब लोग रहेंगे। इतना कहकर मैं अपनी बात ख़त्म करता हूँ। शुक्रिया। खुदा।
Thank you, sir, for your very enlightening speech and great hopes regarding the future of our nation, future of our college. We will try to produce more such products of the college, those who will go to some higher heights, greater heights of the success in future. As you see, in Urdu poetry there is a very nice lines that नफस नफस में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफस नफस में उतरना कमाल होता है, नज़र नज़र में बिखरना कमाल होता है, और कामयाबी पर पहुंचना तो कोई कमाल नहीं, कामयाबी पर ठहरना कमाल होता है। तो आज का हम ये प्रोग्राम, दिस प्रोग्राम वी कंक्लूड विद दीज स्पीचेस एंड विद दीज segments. And now for the vote of thanks I would like to call upon Dr. Adil Momin sir. Please sir, do come.
Thank you sir. Once again, on behalf of JET Trust, on behalf of JET College, and on behalf of IQAC JET College, I congratulate all the qualifiers, all the students and professors who qualified in this state examination. So now for the vote of thanks, first of all, I would like to thanks Honorable Chairman of JET Trust, Alhaj Ansari Nehal Ahmed Sahib, for honoring us with his presence, for felicitating us, and for encouraging us in every respect. Thank you, sir. Then my sincere gratitude goes to all the dignitaries on the dais, Chief Guest, Honorable Niaz Ahmed Lodi Sahib, Honorable Principal Dr. Ansari Harun sir, and Honorable Salma Abdul Sattar ma'am, for spending their valuable time with us and enlightening of stage. Then finally, I would like to thanks all my colleagues, dear students and teachers for careful listening to us and made this program. You all made this program a grand success. Thank you, all of you. Finally, with the permission of the President, I declare that this program is concluded. Thank you.
आ जाइए जिनको फेलिसिटेशन वैसा वाला टीचर्स आइए सर, अबुल सर, एक ग्रुप फोटो मैगजीन के लिए